Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be unboxing this month's gel box. This is quite unusual. It's just come in a plain brown box because normally their boxes are very highly decorated. But yeah, this is what it came in, so let's open it up and have a look at what we get inside. So first things first is I do see a little card that says thank you. So that is super nice, and tucked away inside we have just a married sticker, so I'm gonna guess it's gonna be wedding-esque themed. And we have some nice 3D stickers. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. So I see a card with a number 2 on, saying it's thank you because it is now their 2-year anniversary. So that's super cool to know. The next thing I see is more stickers, and just let me open them, that are similar to the ones that came loose. Here we go, very much 3D again, that same kind of swirly pattern in white. The next thing I see is a nice little perlette and diamante hairpin. Then we have my most favourite nail files of all the time. If you've seen my unboxing, I'm always saying how these files are my favourite. So I'm glad to have another one of them. Then we have a cuticle oil. We get one of these every month. The next thing I see is a pot of chunky pink glitter. We have our polishes, and let me just check there's nothing else in the box. I don't think so. So we have this one, which is called Yours Forever, which is like a rose gold. Super duper pretty. The next one we have is I Do, which looks like a nice skin toned neutral colour. Now these nail polishes are 20ml and they are HEMA free. Then the next one is called Veil, which is another glittery one, looks like cream and gold. So this is either very chunky, but my bedroom isn't all that cold, so let's give it a shake. So yeah, it's very chunky, it's like it's a bit too hard in the bottle that it doesn't want to come out. And then the next one we have is Catch the Bouquet, which looks like another glittery one, which is another chunky one. Like, can you see, did you see how that, that is incredibly chunky. So I don't know, we'll have to see when I swatch them. So I'm just going to swatch these these 4 gel polishes, and I will be back, guys. Hello guys, we are back from swatching the gel polishes we got in this month's Brit Pop, and I will let you know that they made a boo-boo, but I will tell you about it when we come to it. So the first one we had was this one called Yours Forever, which is a rose gold, which I think is absolutely stunning. It is my favourite of the set, and I will definitely be finding a way to use it because it is just beautiful. Then the next one we have is called I Do, and it is just a nice neutral colour. Here it is. Lovely. Now we're on to the glitters that I said were very, very thick. They were very, very thick. But once I sort of got it on the nail and worked it, it wasn't too bad. So this first one is called Bouquet. And here it is. And it is like a milky white with bits of pink glitter. If my camera wants to focus. There we go. With bits of pink glitter. It is nice. And now this one, if I bring it up closer, you will see that it's most definitely different to this one. It is like a gold. And I swatched it, and this is what I got. Yes, it is exactly the same as this one. So I think somebody made a boo-boo and they put the wrong cap on the bottom. Just to show you, I will open the bottle. See, gold. Milky white with pink. So these two gel polishes are actually exactly the same, and somebody put the wrong swatch on top. So what I may do is, I don't know what I'm going to do. So somebody made a boo-boo and put two of the exact same polishes in. So I can't tell you what this colour looks like because I don't have it. But I do like these three colours, with obviously the rose gold being my favourites. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment and like and subscribe. Hitting that subscribe button only takes 2 seconds and it really does help support this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video, guys. Bye.